Hello all, this is Sultan. So in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. So some people might feel that scheduling a meeting in Google Meet is not easy as you schedule a meeting in Zoom, but it is not so. It's really very easy to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. I will show you how now. So first what you have to do is, if it is an instant meeting, then you can just click here and start the meeting by giving the meeting title here. And if you want to schedule a meeting for an upcoming days, maybe you can schedule a meeting for next week, or you want to schedule a meeting for tomorrow. And what you have to do is open Google Calendar, and what is the date today? So today is 10th. So let's say that I'm going to I'm going to schedule a meeting on 17th July. So click on that date. Now a pop-up will appear for you, and what you have to do is just give a meeting title Google Meet test. Okay, then enter the timing. Let's say we are going to have a meeting for 1 hour from 3:30 to 4:30 on 17th July, and you can invite the guest here. So to add a to generate the meeting URL, what you have to do is click here, or once you add the guest, the meeting will automatically generate. The meeting URL will automatically generate, as you can see here. So now, because I'm an G Suite business user, I have 250 participants as the limit. So if you are a free Gmail user, you will have 100 participants as a limit for you. So now, once you have given all the details, then click on save. Small pop-up will appear asking for invitation email that is to be sent to the guests. So if you give send, then your guest will receive an email just like this. So this email will have the necessary details for meeting. So this is how you are going to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. If you have any queries, feel free to give your comments in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for more videos. If you need any videos, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.